Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add cancel order button on Shopify. Now, some teams I believe like a lot of customers like complain about how like they can't cancel their order. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this problem easily. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys to add the cancel order button on Shopify. Of course, you will have to log in into your Shopify store, and you want to download an app that will help you do this. Okay, so this app, like, it doesn't really charge you that much. Okay, so you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify app store in the top right. Now the app that we want to download, it's this is the app, okay, like order cancel label. Okay, so you just need to search for it on Shopify app store. As you can see, this is what you need to search for. Okay, so you want to click on enter, and this is the app. Okay, it has like a free trial available to see if you like it or not. If you don't like it, as you can see, let customers cancel order or reorder easily. It also has like a feature, it's like a reorder. You want to click on it. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this app. It's very easy. Just click on install. Okay, so next thing you need to do guys, after you install the app, you want to click on install again. Just confirm, click again on install. It's going to take you guys directly to the app. So make sure you click on approve here. Like, you have like 14 days free trial. If you don't like the app, you can just remove it from your store and just do this before 14 days, okay? So that they don't charge you this like $7 per month. Okay, you want to click on approve. As you can see here guys, it says here installation steps are required for the app to work. Now you can, like, as you can see here guys, you can read this. As you can see, this is how like customers will see this. Your order is confirmed. You will see like other actions like reorder or cancel. Okay, as you can see, you can read this. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like on your Shopify. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can enable this on your Shopify right now. Okay, so first thing you need to click, guys, you want to click on design here on the app, and you want to enable this reorder. Like you want to toggle this on, and also you want to toggle cancel on. You can like disable like reorder button if you want. Displayed buttons, this is the displayed buttons your customers will see. You can also like change the text, for example, for cancel to something else if you want to do that. Now you can processing text canceling, you can change it to something else. After that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, you want to click on save. Okay, so next thing you need to do guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left after you click on save, and you want to click on checkout, and you want to click on customize. Okay, so next thing you need to guys, you want to click on checkout here in the top right, and you want to click on order status. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay, so after you click on that, then what you guys need to do next is you want to just scroll down a little bit. I will show you guys something here. As you can see, now this is like the information like your customer will see. Okay, so you want to click here, it says sections here in the top left, and you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down and click on add app block. Okay, here you want to find here cancel order. You want to like add the app here. You want to click on cancel order reorder action, click on it, and here you can like change like cancellation, like successful cancellation text. This is like text that shows when an order has been cancelled successfully. For example, your order is successfully cancelled or something like that. You can just customize this as you want. You can type whatever you want your customers to see. Your order has been cancelled successfully or something like that. Show the refresh order button. You can choose like the refresh order button text, for example, the button text that ask customer to refresh the order after the order has been cancelled. Filed cancellation text, like if it's filed, then you can like something, you can like add like your can't cancel this order or something like that. Try again button text, the button text that ask customer to try again when the order cancel file. Okay, you can just add here the try again button text. For example, if they cannot cancel, they will be able to, they will be able to receive a message that says you can try again or something like that. Okay, yeah, after that you want to click on save in the top right. That's all you need to do guys. You want to click on save, and this new button now will be shown on the order page when customers, if like your customers complain about like they cannot cancel the order, now they will see these. Now you can also add it on the thank you page. If you read the instructions, guys, on the app, you just need to click on the app, click on installation, and you can see like steps like to add it on the thank you checkout page. As you can see, thank you page checkout, you can add it there if you want. Okay, if you want me to make a video about this, just ask me in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes, and I will make a video about it specifically. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, guys. I hope this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.